Hey guys, Dustin Troy here, Supercar Sunday for GT Shelby Cobra Day, and put this day together less than a week. Really, I just did one Instagram post and one email blast. Just been so busy at work with the family, everything else, and the event just started at 7 o'clock, and here's what we have so far at 7 a.m. Of course, I want to thank Porsche Woodland Hills, Howard Keys, Howard Tenenbaum, Scott Stanley, the Porsche Woodland Hills team for bringing this event together. And more cars are on the way. Yes, sir. Sorry, a gentleman asked me a question, but here we go. Day's starting off beautifully. One guy owns both these cars, and he called me and said, "Hey, can I park them together?" I said, "Sure." So he was the first Shelby here this morning, and here we go. It's kind of a wrap ride. Also, suspension is pretty steep, or it's really hot. I know I haven't done a video in a really long time. I've just been swamped. I got to start working on some of my cars. My wife's got a beautiful 69 Fastback, but I got plenty of events, so it's hard to get my own cars here. But in any event, a lot of great stuff out here today.
And they're okay, but the better paint, and I found this out from a couple of local painters, and again, it's water-based.
That's a beautiful car. I'm gonna sign up. All right, so we're back here again. Dustin.
Dustin, okay.
I always wear the orange hat.
Okay,
Yeah,
pleasure.
You just look for the guy in the orange hat, as it says on this page. Love you, brother.
Love you too, Chris. Chris has been coming forever. We have our wonderful sheriffs.
Yeah.
Love this car. This car, I love this car. So well done.
No. Sure. What's up, sir? Hey, man.
So it's turning out to be a beautiful day.
Hey, what's up, sir? How you doing? Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't mean sir to this guy.
Morning, Dustin.
How are you? How's everything?
Good. How are you, man?
It's good to see you. Another great day. You gotta love that.
Yeah, I got up.
So again, the event just started, and cars are coming in. What's nice is when you get a group like the Shelby Club or the Cobra Club, they've been doing this stuff forever, that everybody's courteous and respectful. You know, these cars are so loud, and you don't even hear anything. They just come in nice and quietly, and another great day. Another great day.
I want to see this blow-up. I heard it. I know. I have to be at a window.
More to come. All right, so we're back again. Supercar Sunday. About 20 minutes have passed. And here we go. It's still early. Cars are coming in. You can smell race gas. What a beautiful morning. I gotta help people park. Gotta love it. Cars keep coming, so I call it Supercar Sunday. Beautiful morning out here. Looking good.
Great to see you, bro.
Everything's good?
Come by and shot, yeah.
Love it. Love it. I'm always happy to see you, know that.
Same.
Always happy. Life's good, you? Morning.
Morning. How are you?
This car smells so good. You smell that race gas. Morning.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Likewise.
Justin has the family.
Wonderful. Thank you for asking.
How old are the children now?
7 and 10.
Oh no!
Fast.
I remember, when she had the first baby.
Yeah.
That's 10 years ago.
I thank God 100 times a day for my wife and kids.
I don't blame you.
100 times a day.
And you're doing another 100 times.
What a beautiful morning. So this was one Instagram post and one email blast, and you got a lot of great folks in the Shelby community, a lot of passion, and it's not the high point of the show right now. It's still kind of just beginning. So oh, look at the blue wing car. Look at that. A little more spring cleaning.
Ever down in Orange County, Orange? Take the time. They have just a little.
Love that Mustang right there. All right, I'm gonna sign off for a second. All right, folks, we're back here at Supercar Sunday, Ford Shelby Cobra Day. Beautiful morning. Thank you guys for being out here. Always. It's starting to warm up, so people are gonna start taking off. This car is super cool. He's the VP of the Shelby Club, I was just told. What a beautiful morning. Oh, pardon me. Beautiful morning. Morning.
Pennsylvania is where I got it from. Okay. So.
Oh, we got Boss. Oh, that's pretty. You know what's funny is I built for my wife a 69 Mach 1 Tribute. This is pretty.
Sounds great. I forget who was driving away yesterday.
In the factory, in the individual test. Yep. So it's.
Hey, Dusty, how much is that GT?